So I have already created my layer, and now select the text tool, and now left click and now type your text. So I think the text here is too big. Control A to select all text. I'm going to change it to bold. I will reduce the size to around 200. Now let's select the move tool. I'm going to place it here. And now if you want to write your text vertically, select the text tool, left click inside. So here you can just put the cursor here. You don't need to select all text. Right click inside the text while the text editor is open here. So right click. And now here you can change it. So for example, vertical right to left. And then right click here, you can change it to vertical right to left upright orientation. So letters should be upright. So this is in general how we want the text. So for example, if I select Control A, I can adjust the kerning. So here it is. Let's select the move tool. So here it's not good because the text here is cut because of the size of the layer. So let's select text tool again, left click, Control A to select all text, and now I'm going to increase the kerning here. So as you can see, we have the letter that appears again. So I'm going to leave it here, and now right click. Let's try this one here, vertical left to right mixed orientation, how it's written. So let's increase the kerning. And now right click, let's select here, vertical left to right upright orientation. It's kind of the same as this one here, vertical right to left orientation. So I'm going to reduce a little bit the kerning. So here like this. So once you're finished, you created your vertical text. Just make sure. So for example, if I delete this text here, press the X icon here, and now select the text tool, and now left click, and now let's type another text. So here, as you can see, it's still write it in a vertical position. So once you're finished writing in vertical position, just right click and just change it to the normal one from left to right. So here it is.